Wednesday, and here comes storm surge. The tide's going down, but now it's the highest it's been this whole time. Doesn't make that much sense, does it? We were about an inch lower than this during the storm, during high tide. See, that's the bummer here. It's not high tide right now. This is probably 1.5 feet of straight storm surge. They're flooding across the canal, and look, it's still coming in. It's coming in right now. See, it should be going out. Oh boy. We've got 5 inches. 5 inches before we flood. If we flood, darn it.